try to do the right thing, it can get you into trouble.
How did you guys even find this